Hi, I'm Nicole Neff, founder and president of Dental Dynamics Staffing. Dental Dynamics specializes in the placement of dental professionals, including dentists, hygienists, dental assistants, EFDA, and even front office. We are experts in the field of recruiting and have earned an excellent reputation among dental professionals nationwide. There are many things that separate us from other recruiters. We offer quick turnaround time, which means we can fill your needs 24/7. My team of recruiters are passionate about keeping you informed every step of the way. We truly care. We have an extensive database of dental professionals and are always recruiting new talent to fill your dental needs. Our services range from temporary, temp to hire, and direct placement.
I've known Nicole, owner of Dental Dynamic, for over 15 years. If we ever need any staff, I call her immediately, and I usually have somebody here before the day starts.
I've been subbing for 6 years with Dental Dynamics Staffing, and I enjoy it. I recently got placed here, and I still sub on my days off.
Hello, I'm Dr. Johnson. I've been working with Dental Dynamic for almost 11 years now. Not only do they find exceptional candidates, they take the burden off of us by paying their temporary staff directly.
Our mission here at Dental Dynamics Staffing is to make sure we're filling all your staffing needs so you don't have to cancel patients. Making sure you're not losing revenue due to being short-staffed. And taking all the hiring headaches away so you can focus on what you do best, dentistry. Dental Dynamic knows what it takes to find you your next opportunity or next team member, and we're going to go above and beyond to make that happen. We look forward to working with you.